Hello, everybody. It's Joshua Hayes at BigWayTrading.com with the stock market wrap up for July 20th, 2009. First off, I want to say another excellent bullish day by the stock market indexes. It's been great ever since this move by the NASDAQ above the 50-day moving average. You can see a breakout there, and what I've heard some referred to as inverted head and shoulders, but whatever. I really don't see it unless, I guess this is it. Shoulder, head, shoulder breakout, but whatever. It doesn't really look like it to me. It's a good breakout of a nice cut pattern back here. It's continuing to follow through. My only problem is with this is that I know we had higher volume today. Higher volume is good, everyone, but my problem is that volume is below average, and I don't think it's ever good to see below average volume, even when it is up. Still, and look at the scans, as you can see, they're very active. 102 in one, 144 in the other two. So these will be the two long scans I go over tonight. And then the short scans down here, 8, 5, and 5. And that'll be the short scans I go through. I don't need to go through any other scans. I have enough here to choose from in the 246 stocks in the 10 and 100K. You go through the other ones if you have time. I'm not going to be able to have time, so I'm not going to do it. The New York Stock Exchange today had lower volume the day before, which I guess would be good, but it was up 1.71%, so lower volume actually isn't good. The leading indexes out of all the indexes today was the IBD indexes, but I don't think we have prices on that yet. No, we sure do not. Maybe we do it on the 85.85, not sure. Nope. Nothing in yet, but I know that the IBD index is led by a subscriber who keeps proxy tracking on, I guess, Excel. I guess that's where he does that. And by doing that, he's able to gauge what the IBD 100, 200, and I believe it's 85.85 does, and they're all leading. So, awesome. Very good on the IBD indexes. But I like the bull market overall that we are in, the uptrend we're in. Like I said, my only problem is the volume. If this volume, all these up days, now we're up so many days in a row, I think it's obvious. I think everybody's now bullish now. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 straight days up. Buying after 9 straight days up, I don't know how wise it was, but if it can consolidate a little bit here sideways, maybe pull back to about, right around here to this area, I'd like to buy some more closer to the 50-day moving average, but right now it's just too far away. But overall, still very, very excellent price action. I have no problem with the action. S&P 600, as you can see, also leading the way higher since off the March bottoms, leading against the New York Stock Exchange, while the NASDAQ is clearly the leader of the bunch. But still, what's the best index? By far, China. The Shanghai SE Composite was up over 2% again last night. Since its 2008 lows in November, as you can see, it has been up already 90% for an index. Stunning, stunning, stunning action, and just amazing. Look at this, like, nice symmetrical, like this came down nicely here, going up nicely here, compared to the, even back here was nice there, and then the uptrend, then another uptrend. But still, very great action, I would say, overall in the indexes. I like where all the lines are headed. I like how the Chinese stock market's leading. And by doing that, a lot of our longs that we've had for a long period of time, like CHLN, which we've been long since back here in June, now have 100% gain in it since the limit buy point. I hear some people wanting to buy this. I don't know if I'd really want to buy these stocks this far away from the 200-day moving or 50-day moving average. 50-day moving average is down here at $4, so it's a pretty big drop. If they can pull back all the way down here to like the breakout area, maybe. But CHLN, I'm gonna look to start taking. I'd rather take profits, I guess, than buy here. I guess you could say the fresh breakout was way back here. Still a very beautiful day overall. Very hard to be bearish on a chart like this, but while not bearish, it's also hard to want to buy a stock up 12% in one day that's still 30% away on the 50-day moving average. So just be careful out there, everyone. Don't think that, oh, I'm going to start loading up now. I would say be okay if more stocks were set up like DDRX right off the 50-day moving average, but they're not. So I'd be a little careful out there if I were you. But coffee is hot. Look at it. It's just running. Running wild. GMCR hasn't stopped since the breakout, up over 100% since April 1st, 2009. It's a pretty good move in just 3 months from a coffee stock. These are all good reasons to be bullish, not bearish. You don't get price action like this in a bad market. So even with the lower volume on the New York Stock Exchange and the below average volume on the NASDAQ, higher prices mean making money. That's all that matters right now. So I'm going to go ahead and end it actually a little bit early. Like I said, don't want to be taking anybody's time too much. We'll have another video that goes over the new buys if we have too many, or if we have any new shorts. I doubt we're going to have any shorts, but possible. So we're going to have some more new buys. And then we're definitely going to have sells. And also I'm going to post the sells from last Wednesday to now. You should know by now which ones are sells. I mean, if they look like JOEZ, obviously it's a sell. So that should help. All right, everybody. Have a great Tuesday morning. I'll see you around the midday point on Tuesday. Aloha.